Hello and welcome to this new video. Today we're going to see how you can use your beloved CyberDuck with Astran S5. Astran is a data security as a service company which uses advanced cryptography to make your data safe and resilient. So S5 being a S3 compatible API, we're just going to use the Amazon S3 profile. But as you can see here, authentication options are pretty limited. We are only able to use permanent keys, and we'd like to use more secure options like web identity. So we're just going to delete that bookmark and create a profile that will import in CyberDuck. So I don't know if you've ever seen what a CyberDuck profile looks like, but it's pretty messy. You have to set up a lot of parameters like OAuth configuration, the endpoints, the assume role ARN, so pretty complicated. In order to help you generate this file, we have created a tool named Astran Tools, and basically you will define your profile with a graphical user interface. So I'm creating here a new profile called demo, and basically all the parameters are set. One that's not set though is assume role ARN, which is a role CyberDuck will take when using S5. So in order to get that, you have to authenticate on the IDP and get a success code that you can copy paste back into Astran Tools. Now the role is set, you can save the profile and click on it to be able to export it as a CyberDuck profile file. So by giving it a name, you will be able then to double click it and it will open CyberDuck by creating a new bookmark with this profile. Very easy. So let's just do that right now. Let's open a new Finder window on this demo folder and double click the CyberDuck profile file. It opens me CyberDuck and creates a bookmark for me. And as you can see on this drop-down list, it also created a profile that I'll be able to reuse in the future. If I double-click the bookmark, it takes me to the identity provider on which I already have an active session. So I just copy the code and I can paste it into CyberDuck. Click the continue button and you're in. You will be able to access to your setup. This is a fresh setup with no bucket. So let's create a new bucket, which will be created by default on the EU region. I call it demo bucket. And now I have an empty bucket, so let's just upload a file in it. For instance, the CyberDuck profile file that we created before. Why not? So let's go to it and upload it. Now you're done, and congratulations, your file is now stored on Astran S5 in a safe and resilient manner. So in this video, we saw how to configure CyberDuck using Astran Tools and then how to use CyberDuck connected on Astran S5. I hope you found it useful and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.